In this video, we are going to show you how to create your first project in Poppy AI. Now, once you have signed up and signed into your account, and you're going to be here on your dashboard, you want to look at your left-hand side. This is going to be your main, menu. And at the very tippity top, you're going to see new board. This is going to be your project, right? So click new board. So once you go into your new board, this is where all the magic happens. This is where you create, right? This is where you plan. This is where all the processes go. So let's wait for it to load. There you go. So this is going to be what you're going to be working with. So you want to click on AI chat like so. There we go. And this is going to be your LLM. This is going to be your chat GPT, so to speak, your Grok. And this is where you're going to connect everything. So for example, you want to create a group, right? Group makes everything organized. So what does that mean? It means that, for example, I want to add here a website, right? This is where everything goes, a website, a YouTube video, a document, PDF, etc., everything. And then, for example, you just want to not create an image. You want to say it's a video, right? Say it's a documentary about something. You want to create a blog, or you want to create a paragraph, say a document of like say 3 to 4 paragraphs using that video. Poppy Chat will do that for you. Like what I said, this is your brain, this is your core, right? And you can just add as much as you want, right? So you can do that too. There we go. If you want to add this, click and drag, and there you go. This group 2 is now connected to Poppy Chat, right? And you can do this multiple times, right? You can, there we go, make it smaller. You can actually add another chat here, right? And then you can add a new group, right? And connect it to this chat, right? So pretty simple. And if you want to try out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 off when you click on the link we have provided in the description below. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.